Hello my juicy jelly beans. Today I want to show you a fun technique which is really easy to do. We're going to make some cabochons to start off with. I always like to make a few cabochons to have at hand to play with. I'm going to use Let's Resin Epoxy 1:1 by volume. I've prepared 20 ml of epoxy and added some white pigment paste. I'll be pouring the mixture into the big ovals as they have a bigger area to play with, then leave them to cure. For colour, I'm in the mood for neons, but you can use any colours you want. These are from the Let's Resin Neon collection, and this UV resin is also from Let's Resin. I will leave in the description box all the things I'm using plus juicy discount codes. For this cabochon, I'm only going to use 4 colours. We will need some disposable cups, some toothpicks, some disposable brushes, plus a UV lamp. I'll be using the double lamp from Let's Resin, which cures on both sides in one go. Super awesome. I'm going to start with yellow. You only need a small amount of pigment, but I do want it to be intense. Plus, we can always make more if needed. I've prepared each cup with one of each colour, but it's best to add your UV resin as you go along. Trust me. I remember once I prepared 7 colours all with UV resin, and by the time I got to the 3rd colour, they had cured. It was a very sunny day. Make sure to mix the pigment, especially as these neons are pretty granular and sometimes you can get unmixed pigment. I like to use another cup to support the cabochon, adding a bit of sticky tape to help it stay put. Grab a disposable brush and paint the whole cabochon. I'm starting with the lightest colour first, which in this case it's yellow. Make sure to go all around the sides too, and then cure it under a UV lamp for a good 3 minutes. Now I'm going to do the orange. Cover the whole cabochon in the orange and cure it again for 3 minutes. Now for the pink. Repeat the same procedure as before. For the last colour, I'm going to use the purple from Let's Resin Holographic Collection. This is the last layer, I promise. Cover the whole cabochon and cure. This is ready, and now for the fun part. I'm going to use a Dremel. Our aim is to sand down till we see the yellow. I'm sanding it in a circular motion to create little craters of colour. You can do as many and as big as you want. Dusty much? Clean off the excess of dust with a hard bristle brush. We need to clean up the back a bit. I'm going to use my Dremel again as it is easier and quicker. Next up, we are going to want to add a top coat. So with a skewer and a dab of UV resin, I'm going to secure the stick to the back of the cabochon and cure it with a UV torch. In this tub, I have Let's Resin UV inside, which is perfect to dunk our cabochon and get a complete coat of UV. Let the excess drip off and then cure it under a UV lamp. I've added a ring base, but it can be turned into a necklace or even a bracelet. This would definitely give some table talk. I think I'm going to try it again with more colours and bigger craters. I'm going for 7 colours. Might as well. Plus, we can see if it's worth doing more than 3 or 4 colours. So I'm going to start off with the yellow, then the orange, pink, purple, oops, that wasn't supposed to happen, butterfingers. As I was saying, purple, blue, green, and another holographic colour. For the last colour, I'm going to use teal blue from the holographic collection, You can do this on any piece. It doesn't have to be a cabochon, but I do like to try it out on a smaller piece first. Big thank you to all my subscribers and channel members. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because puppies and I love you. Here goes nothing. This is ready for a top coat. Wow, I just love the colours. Let the excess drip off and cure it for 5 minutes under a UV lamp. I turned it into another ring, but I'm definitely going to try this on a bigger piece, because I just love the effect. Let me know what you think. Keep watching for the end results. Toodles!